Hello friends, we are going to open my new purchase, a Dji Mavic 4 Pro. Okay, hope you like it. This is the unboxing from DJI. We are at the DJI store. Very nice. Okay, so we are going to open. Wow. So this is not for free from DJI. I bought it. So let's see what is inside. First time opening. Okay, so we have a QR here. You can see it's already in the box. A little bit dirty. 不干净了，你看。
压痕。
哇塞，多少公斤啊？
应该有4、5斤啊。
15斤啊。
当飞机2斤。
This is 15 Jin, 7.5 kilograms. So it's very heavy. So we are going to open the box. Let me see, like this. Okay, wow, it's very nice. So there are the batteries here. Okay. So 3 batteries, like this. Okay. Now we have the batteries, 3. Let's see the charge. We have, this is full, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay. So it's not so full. Now we put it in the package again because I've taken it home. Okay. Close it. It also has a lot of cables, which I'm not taking. This is 1 kilo already. Oh, so many cables. Hong Kong, UK, USA, Italy, and a lot of countries. Okay, we have that. Put it back again. Now this should be, these are the propellers. One, two, three, four. So many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 propellers. Okay. Included 8 propellers. So it's good for any damage. Let's see if I can put them inside. It's a lot of stuff. So it's 8 propellers. In case you have any accident. Okay, put them inside again. Now we have, here is the famous RC2 Pro. RC Pro. Because the RC Pro. Okay, this one we leave it open. Okay, this is how it comes. It's nice. It's clean. Nice. All right, good. Okay, and then we have another box here. Here inside we have a USB-C cable, only one, and then we have the big charger. This is 230 watts. 230. So we put it inside again, and we put the cable. Now we take. So that's the base there. And we take the drone. Okay, it's like this. I don't want to destroy the box because I want to take it in the box. Wow. Okay. Now we have the drone here, which is very light. It comes with a protector. So how to open this? You plug here, and then just take it like this, and it's open. So that's how it comes. It's clean. You can see. Okay. Then we do the first. 要打开吧。
对，镜子。
开水美电的那个。We open the ones with the less power. 对了吧 ？Like this. Okay. So, how to open? Oh, have this protector here, which is good. This comes here. Now, 随便都开哦，这样。Okay. Open these ones and these ones, like this, and this like this. I mean, push. Oh, okay. And now the first turn. So 还有什么？
打开机。
打开这个，用什么开？
展开就好。
这样开。
对，它会自己开机。
OK。这样开。Okay, so we turn on like this. 这个有一个外壳吗？
有膜。
有膜。哦。So how it is? We do English next. Agree. Wi-Fi. And then okay, we put the password. It's a secret. So password. Okay, so it is D3. 要给他们看吗？Okay, so that's okay. We connect to the Wi-Fi, and now we will see what's going on here. Next, confirm. Oh, 那怎么办？
登录一下你的账号，手机号码。
我有我的那个苹果。
你是用邮箱吗？还是手机号码？
我用这个苹果的那个。
这个的账号。没
有啊。
注册一个就好。
那 this we finish later。
啊。手机号码。啊。137
我忘记，就不要写。OK，所以以后写吧。你给我看看，你这里看，看我这里。OK， so this is what you get. I will do the process later, and then I'll show you when it's flying. See you next time. Bye bye.